Guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on text and media with image description on your accounts on Discord. Easy and quick. First, click on your profile. Now click text and media. Here, as you see, you will find with image description, and just click like this, and that's it. We turn it on. That's how to turn on text and media with image descriptions. Easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.